Hello and welcome to my online digital academy. My name is Waseem and today we will learn the word problems from two exercises of chapter number 2, Enjoying Mathematics by Ashlata Badami from an Oxford book. We will cover exercise 2E, question number 3, application in real life, and exercise 2F. The important thing in word problems is to understand the nature of the question. What do we have to do with this question? Is this question for addition or subtraction? To understand this, we will identify the signal words. I already covered signal words in my previous video. If you didn't watch my previous video of addition and subtraction, chapter number 2, exercise with tips and tricks, it is highly recommended watch it first. I will place the link in the description below. Just for quick reference, subtraction signal words are subtract, difference, minus, take away, fewer, remain, left, leftover, less than, how many more than, and sense of comparison. Let's move to the exercise 2E, question number 3. Question number 3, application in real life. On one particular day, the bank received 50,928 rupees and gave out 45,021 rupees. How much more money was received by the bank than given out? So in this question, the sense of comparison is there. How much more money was received by the bank than given out? So how much money is given out? 45,021. So we are comparing these two numbers. When there is a sense of comparison, we will do the subtraction. Let's solve this question. The money received by the bank 50,928 rupees. Money gave out by the bank 45,021 rupees. Let's do the subtraction as we do. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. We will borrow 1 from 5. So this 5 will become 4. And this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So how much more money received by the bank? 5,907 rupees. Let's solve question number 3b. Mr. Khan has 9,231 rupees in the bank. He wants to leave only 2,500 there and take out the rest. How much money can he take out? So it's a simple subtraction question. The signal word in this question is how much money he can take out. So let's solve this question number 3b. Mr. Khan has money in the bank, 9,231. Money he wants to leave in the bank is 2,500. So we will do the subtraction as we do. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from 9. So this 9 will become 8. And this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5. 7, and 8 minus 2, 6. So how much money he can take out? 6,731 rupees. Question number 3c. The Mehtas bought a new fridge and gave in their old fridge in exchange. Their old fridge was valued at 2,300 rupees. They had to pay the dealer 16,756 rupees. What was the cost of their new fridge? This is a tricky question. As a shopkeeper took Mehta's old fridge for rupees 2,300. He calculated something in his calculator and told Mehta that you have to pay us 16,756 rupees. Now, Mehta is confused. Mehta needs to think about how much the new fridge costs. What he did, he adds both the values 2,300 rupees and 16,756 rupees to understand the new fridge value. In other words, we can say Mehta has 2300 rupees with him, and another person is saying you need 16,756 rupees to buy a new fridge. So, in this case, it will be easy to understand that the total cost of a new fridge can be calculated by adding these two numbers. So, we can add 2300 rupees to 16,756 rupees to get the actual value of the new fridge. 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1 will be carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and 1 will be as it is. We will place the comma. So the total cost of a new fridge is 19,056 rupees. Question number 3D. The Mathew family went on a holiday to Coimbatore. On the first day, they spent 1,245 rupees. Over the next 2 days, they spent 2,457 rupees. And on the last day, they spent 1,980 rupees. How much money did they spend in all? So the signal word in this question is spend in all. So it means that we need to add all the expense of what Mathew family has done. So this question is for addition. Let's solve this question. So I will repeat the question for you. Expense on first day 1,245 rupees. Expense on our next 2 days 2,457 rupees. Expense on third day is 1,980 rupees. So we will do the addition. 5 plus 7, 12. 2, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 9. Keep 9 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the Mathew family spent 5,682 rupees on a holiday. Exercise 2F, question number 1. Mrs. Matthews ordered 275 idlis for the school party. She ordered 125 less samosas than idlis. How many samosas did she order? So what is the signal word here? 125 less samosas than idlis. So we will do the subtraction. Let's solve this question. Total idlis order 275. How many less samosas than idlis she ordered? Less or fewer is the same meaning. So this is also one of the signal word we have. So we can write fewer samosas than idlis 125. So we will do the subtraction as we do. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. And 2 minus 1, 1. He ordered 150 samosas for the school party. Question number 2F. You have 750 rupees. You want to buy a sweater for 455 rupees and a jacket for 570 rupees. How much more money do you need? So what is the signal word here? How much more money do you need? So we will do the subtraction. But there is 2 steps are involved. First, we need to calculate how much is our cost to buy these 2 items, which is sweater and a jacket. So we will do the addition of these 2 items to get our cost. Then we will subtract the total amount what we have right now. We have 750 rupees to get the actual amount, how much total money we need to buy sweater and jacket. So let's solve this question. So cost for a sweater 455 rupees, cost for jacket 570 rupees. We will do the addition to get the total cost of the items. 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 7 12, 1 will be carry, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. So the total cost to buy these items is 1025 rupees. And how much money do we have? Money we have 750 rupees. So now we will do the subtraction to get how much more money do we need to buy jacket and sweater. Let's do the subtractions as we do. 5 minus 0, 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. We will borrow 1 from 1. So this 1 will become a 0 and this 0 will become 10. Now we will borrow 1 from 10. So this 10 will become 9 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. So how much more money do we need? 275 rupees. So we need 275 rupees more money to buy jacket and sweater. Question number 3. Amber threw a ball to a distance of 25 meters. Anikita threw it 3 times as far. How far did Anikita throw the ball? So in this question, we are comparing the distance covered by the ball thrown by Amber and Anikita. Once we are comparing the number, we will do the subtraction. In this question, 2 steps are involved. First, we need to calculate how far Anikita throws the ball than Amber. Then we will calculate the difference in the distance covered by the ball thrown by Amber and Anikita. So let's solve this question. So Amber threw the ball 25 meters. Anikita threw the ball 3 times than Amber. So 25 multiplied by 3. So 3 times of 25. So 3 5s are 15. 5 1 will be carry and 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 75 meters far Anikita threw the ball. Now let's calculate how far did Anikita throw the ball than Amber. How far did Anikita throw the ball? 75 meters minus 25 meters. 5 minus 5, 0 and 7 minus 2, 5. So Anikita threw the ball of 50 meters far. Question number 4. A laptop has enough charge for 75 minutes of use. It is charged for another 95 minutes of use. It is then used for 112 minutes. How many minutes of charge is still available on the laptop? So how we will identify this question? So what is the signal word here? How many minutes of charge are left on the laptop? So we will do the subtraction. But there is also 2 steps are involved. First, we need to calculate how many minutes of charging available on a laptop. For this, we will do the sum of 75 minutes and 95 minutes. Then we will take the difference in how many minutes the laptop used. So let's solve this question. Total minutes of charge for usage 75 minutes plus 95 minutes. So we will do the addition first. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 will be carry. 9 plus 7, keep 9 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7, 16. So total minutes of charge for usage is available for 160 minutes. Laptop used for 112 minutes. So let's do the subtraction. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. Now we will do the subtraction as we do. 10 minus 2, 8. 5 minus 1, 4. And 1 minus 1, 0. So 48 minutes. So 48 minutes of charge is still available on the laptop. Question number 5. Rashid practiced 8 math questions every day for 5 days. In those same days, Rohan practiced 12 fewer questions than Rashid. How many questions did Rohan practice? What is the signal word here? Fewer, or we can say less. So once we found such words, we will do the subtraction. Let's solve this question. So in this question, Rashid practiced 8 math questions every day. So for 5 days, how many questions did he practice? He practiced 8 5s the 40 questions. And Rohan practiced 12 fewer questions than Rashid. So Rohan practiced 12 less questions than Rashid. So we can subtract 40 minus 12. Now we will do the subtraction as we do. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. We will borrow 1 from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 2, 8, and 3 minus 1, 2. So how many questions did Rohan practice? So Rohan practiced 28 questions in 5 days. So this is the end of this video. I hope you understand how we can solve the word problems. In some of the word problems, 2 steps were involved. Let's move to the next exercise, 2G, 2H and 2I. See you in the next video. If you found this video informative and helpful, it is requested to subscribe, like and share to grow my online academy.